Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with more work from home job leads. This video is for my international viewers, although all four of these positions that I have to share with you are hiring worldwide. I think two of them are hiring within the United States also, but this video is geared more towards my international viewers. Thank you so much for being patient with me. International job leads are a little harder for me to come by, so sometimes it takes me a little bit of time to round them up, but I have a video for you today, so let's not waste any time and just jump on in. First up, we have the company Canonical. Now, this one is hiring worldwide, so United States or any country outside of the United States, they are looking for a technical support manager. They are specifically looking for someone who is comfortable in a fast-paced environment and able to take responsibility for delivering customers and enjoying challenges. They're looking for someone to manage professional support team, including skills development and performance management. You'll be in control of operational control, shift scheduling, accountability for key performance indicators. You'll have to ensure that all your customer cases are responded to within the SLA and in a professional manner. You'll act as a customer escalation contact. You'll be accountable for customer satisfaction, and you'll have to make a contribution to the support knowledge base. Now, they do not require any kind of degree for this position. They are looking for someone who has experience with a Linux or technical level for support, development, or implementation. Someone who has experience and knowledge of OpenStack, public cloud, or virtualization technologies. Someone who has leadership experience. Someone who can be confident under pressure. Someone who is fluent in two languages, with English being the primary, so English and another language. And someone who has excellent communication skills. Now, they do not list the pay for this position. That is going to be dependent on location and experience. But it does say they have a competitive salary along with recognition rewards and annual leave. Now, these next two positions are from the same company, and it states that they are hiring outside of the United States. Now, I was told both of these are worldwide, so if you are in the United States, you might want to apply just to see what they say, because their headquarters is in the United States, headquartered in Wayne, New Jersey, but it does say they're specifically looking to hire outside of the United States. This company is Achieve Test Prep, and the first position that they have open is an administrative supervisor or manager. So as an administrative supervisor, you'll organize the workflow and ensure that employees understand their duties and delegated tasks. You'll monitor the employee productivity and provide constructive feedback and coaching to them. You'll receive complaints and resolve problems. You'll pass on information to upper management, and you'll make sure you're sticking to the legal and company policies. Now, again, they do not require a college degree. They just want someone who can write and speak fluent English, someone who has the ability to work between the business hours of 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, someone who has 2 years experience in managing administrative support roles, someone who is good with computers, specifically Microsoft Office or Google Suite, and someone who has excellent communication skills. Now, if you can be persuasive, then a sales position is always going to be a very high-paying position, whether it's a United States position, whether it's a healthcare company, a tech company, it doesn't matter. Sales pays very well, and this company is also hiring worldwide a sales representative. And it states that you get a salary plus a commission on top of your salary. Now, why it doesn't state what the base salary is, it says that people have an earning potential of up to $150,000 a year. It's 100% remote work. So they are really looking for someone to be experienced in sales with a proven track record of outstanding sales performance. It says this role will demand some late nights to meet the customers and flexibility to work some weekends to accommodate customer schedule. They're really looking for someone who is goal-oriented with a history of achieving success, someone who has professional sales experience, someone who's comfortable working with computers, someone who's comfortable working from your home office, and you need to have the ability to hardwire your internet into your computer, and someone who has professional phone skills. And last but not least, if you are internet SEO tech savvy, this position might be for you. Tier 11 is hiring a funnel specialist. It says you will work 100% remote and you have the flexibility of having flexible hours. So they are looking for someone specifically to be responsible for analyzing their customer sales funnels and following up on those sales funnels, making an optimization plan for one or more of the customer sales funnels, and then executing on that plan to optimize the sales funnel. So people will be hiring this company and you will be working for this company to help look at their sales funnels they already have in place and make them better to drive more sales for the company. So they are looking for anything from people to do copywriting, CRO specialist, marketing, SEO, all of those things. So they want someone to have the ability to look at a funnel and identify what parts are working effectively and what parts are not. You'll need to be proficient at building sales funnels and experience with products and services in sales funnels. And so if you don't know what a sales funnel is, a lot of you may be in one already yourself. But if you watch a YouTube video, you're giving the person who's filming the video and giving you information on something is giving you that information for free. But then they might tell you in the video, if you want a list I made of, let's just say 100 ways to find a work from home job online, subscribe to my newsletter and I'll email that to you. So then they collect your email address and they give you more free information, a free emailed newsletter of all these resources you can use to say find a work from home job. So you begin to have a relationship with this person and build trust with this person. And now that they've got your email address, you are in that sales funnel. That sales funnel has already started from you. And so they continue down and eventually they'll email you something now that you trust them and be like, I'm having a course, pay $99 to join my course. And that's how they end up selling you something. There are lots of sales funnels online and they are proven to work. So if you have any experience with that, I'm sure this would probably pay very well, although they don't list the pay. But they do list some of the benefits that they have. You will be a 1099 contractor. And so if you're not in the U.S., it says just ignore that part. But for U.S. people, you would be a 1099 contractor. It says that they offer flexible hours as well as 3 weeks of paid leave per year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.